Atlanta Plugged In starts now. The following segment is sponsored by the Griffin Law Firm.
Attorney Richard Griffin knows that timing plays a huge part in getting a big workers' comp settlement. If you've been injured on the job, you need to reach out to Richard because you are the expert. So talk about why timing is so important.
I will. You know, timing is everything in workers' comp settlements. It is certainly everything. Basically, you have a situation where if you are going to settle it, you've got to understand first that you're settling the future exposures. The future exposures in medical expenses, in the weekly checks, the income benefits, and in your permanent partial disability benefits when you've lost part of your use of your body. This shows you that if you do it too soon, if you tried to settle it, and without an attorney, of course, it's not going to work at all because you've got to be able to negotiate knowing all this. But early on, the accident happens. You may not know the extent of the injuries. The tests haven't been done. As the treatment progresses, they find out you may have a herniated disc, you may have nerve damage, you're having more expensive injections and surgeries, you're getting income benefits. That's at the peak. Now, if you wait to the point, that's when we try our best to settle the case if the client's ready. If you wait till the end of the case, or as you go down the tail end of the mountain there, you're back at work, the medical treatment stops, and then if you tried to settle it, there wouldn't be anything to settle. So it's very, very important to give us a call at 877-PAIN-LAW as quickly as possible so we can get started on the case.
All right, and Richard, as you talk about that, it's a lot of information. It's a lot for one person to try to think of. I'm sure a lot of viewers had no idea about that, and that's why it's important to give you a call.
Right. Adjusters are not going to settle unless they have a reason to, and we hold their feet to the fire. We make sure they pay all those benefits. They authorize the treatment so that they will be wanting to settle.
All right, Richard Griffin, thank you so much. To get the help that you need, just contact the Griffin Law Firm. Call 877-PAIN-LAW. You can also log on to 877painlaw.com.